In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set dark mode in Google Calendar. Dark mode is great if you work late, prefer a darker interface, or just want to reduce eye strain while looking at your schedule. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, and by the end, your Google Calendar will be using a clean, dark theme. First, open your Google Calendar dashboard in your browser. You can do this by going to the Google Calendar website and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once it loads, you should see your calendar view, whether that's day, week, or month. It doesn't matter which view you're on, the steps are the same. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents settings. Click on that gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to how your calendar behaves and looks. In that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Appearance. This is where Google groups all the visual settings for calendar, including themes and modes such as light and dark. When you click Appearance, a panel or section will open that lets you choose how your calendar should look. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option for the overall theme. Here, you should see choices that include a light mode and a dark mode. Click on the option labeled Dark. As soon as you select it, you'll notice that the calendar background and interface elements change to darker tones. Events and text will adjust to remain readable against the new background. Take a moment to glance over your calendar while dark mode is enabled. Make sure you're comfortable with how your events, colors, and text appear. If you use color coding for different calendars, everything should still be visible, just with a darker backdrop that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Once you're happy with the dark mode setting, look for the button labeled Done and click it. This saves your appearance choice and closes the settings panel. Your Google Calendar will remain in dark mode from now on, unless you come back to these same settings and switch it back to light or another available option. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Google Calendar. Thanks to this quick adjustment, your scheduling experience should now be a lot more comfortable, especially during long work sessions or nighttime use.